Baby girl, what's your name? Double my deck, cause your breath stank. I'll roll with the crew. So what's poppin'? I tried to holler at you, but your breath was rotten.
Here we are, all alone in this room.
Hi. Our project is on gum.
People think that the longer gum lasts, the more expensive it'll be. So we're gonna chew 9 pieces of gum at the same time in the same house until the flavor goes away.
So our relationship is going to be between the price of gum per stick and how long the flavor lasts. And that's our project.
We're gonna time each person, see how long their gum lasts. We're gonna record it and graph it, do some little poster. And yeah, it's a project.
We're chewing strawberry trident first. It is 7.7 cents per stick. So, and it's the least expensive, so it's probably gonna last the shortest amount of time. Part 2 of our stats project. We are now chewing
Spearmint gum.
dentine. It is 11.6 cents per stick. So it's kind of the most expensive.
Not really.
It is.
Really?
Yeah. And then, so it's probably gonna take the longest for the flavor. Hello. We are chewing our third gum now. It is 5 tropical fruit flavor. Tropical fruit flavor, but this is our last gum, so we need to go buy more at Albertsons. And so wait, okay, our third gum, 5, it's 10.6 cents per stick. It's tied for second most expensive, so it's probably gonna take long for the flavor to run out also.
Lydia, you talk too much.
You talk like poop. And, oh, Dawdy! There's a lot. Let's cross the street. I don't know, but there's like more than one this time, okay? I was not expecting that. Part 4. I don't know. Okay. We're chewing Eclipse Exotic Berry. Eclipse Breeze. Something like that. And this one is actually, the last video I said that one was second most or something. But this one is second most expensive because it's 10.8 cents per stick. The third one
Is it really that close
is,
to my face?
it took like 40 minutes for the flavor to run out. So this one, I'm guessing it'll take like 41 minutes. Part 5.
Juicy fruit.
Juicy fruit.
The nastiest tasting gum ever.
This gum costs
8.6 per stick.
This one is second cheapest next to strawberry trident. And we think the flavor is going to be very not long lasting because this is like an old brand of gum. So they don't have the technological advances that we have today. So
And it tastes nasty.
Yeah, it tastes pretty. It's a blah blah gum. So it's bye. Part 6. Stride Winter Blue.
Winter blue.
Explosion of blue. Blue. Okay, so this one costs 9.2 cents. That's kind of like in the middle of our prices. So it's probably gonna, okay, so it's less than the last one we did. So, or no, it's more than the last one we did. So it's probably gonna be like 45 minutes or something.
Making a gum box right now.
It's kind of an epic fail because we don't know what to put on it yet.
It's upside down.
Yeah.
Just check later.
Yeah.
Bye.
This is gum 7. Thank you very much. It's 9. 9.3 cents per stick. So yeah, that's like average. I think it'll take like an hour or something. Sensation. It's extra fruit sensation mango. Mango smoothie.
Mango smoothie.
Long-lasting fruit flavor. Okay, embark. This gum is a bit strange.
A taste.
I think I'm dying a little on the inside. That's what it tastes like. I can't do it.
Come on, Lydia.
This is Mango Smoothie Part 20. We are still
3.
chewing. Part 20 plus 3. I just want to go home. Please let me go.
This is what happens after 2 hours of work.
That's it.
Oh, it's a box. Like, you can't tell. Look, it's 3D.
Here's the why.
It's 3D.
This is gum number 8, Orbit Spearmint. We finally finished Mango Smoothie gum. And so this Orbit gum costs 9.9 cents per stick. Gum number 9, Trident Layers.
Our last piece of gum.
It's our last piece ever in life. We're never gonna chew gum ever again. Until we're in school tomorrow. This gum is 10.6 cents per stick, but we think it's gonna last really long because it has layers. It's like 2 gums, and then there's liquid in the middle. So
liquid.
Whatever. There's a layer of chewy goodness in the center. After we finish this one, we're gonna be done forever.
For our conclusion, we got our linear regression line, which is y
Least squares regression line.
least squares regression line, which equals 8.6024 plus 0.02611x. The slope.
The slope is 0.0261, and the slope of our least squares regression line shows that for every 1 minute that the flavor lasts, the gum price should increase by 0.0261 cents.
And our y-intercept, 8.6024, shows that when gum lasts 0 minutes, the price should be around 8.6 cents, which isn't really possible because we don't know anyone who's made gum that doesn't last any minutes.
And our correlation is 0.4178. So the correlation describes the strength of our data. So in the line it's actually linear, but it's low, so that means it's weakly associated.
Our correlation coefficient is 0.1746, and R squared means that describes how much the data can explain. Since our value is very small, only about 17.46% can be explained in our graphs.
So some factors we found that could affect the results of our data were whether the person is continuously chewing his or her piece of gum or not, if any food or drink had been consumed during chewing the gum, and the amount of the gum's exposure to oxygen.
Oh, and it's the flavor, because the chemical makeup affects that too.
That's a lurking variable.
That's lurking. That is a lurking variable.
We have no outliers for our graph because when we removed one of the higher dots from our graph, the least squares regression line did not dramatically change.
Yeah, the y value changed from 8.6024 to 8.1846, and the slope changed from 0.02611 to 0.03703.
In the end, we concluded that the least squares regression line has a positive association.
And although it had a positive association, there was a weak correlation between the dots. So
Had a weak relationship.
there was a weak relationship between price of gum and how long it lasts.
That's it.
Buy you some gum. Ooh-wee. I'ma bring some gum with me, cause your breath stank.
I love gum. I really love gum. Do you like gum? Do you like gum?
Yes.